Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Chai from Inertia. Here on my channel I make concert vlogs, travel vlogs, and unboxing fan merchandise. So if you're into these, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified when my next vlog. So for today's vlog guys, we got this new album from the 1975. The Notes on a Conditional Form, or the NOACF. About a month ago I bought this vinyl, but I haven't really listened to it a lot, maybe a little bit on Spotify. I've heard some of the songs live already when they had the concert last year here and in Singapore. So to those who have been following me, to those who have been subscribed to this channel, might have already seen my concert vlogs from this band last year. I've met these guys way back, I believe in 2017. But yeah, that was way back when they headlined In The Mix. It's like a festival with a couple of other bands. One night concert, so they headlined that concert. Yeah, since then I've been obsessed. Last year we watched them here in Manila. After their concert in Manila, we flew to Singapore because they will be having another concert in Singapore in like 2 or 3 days from that time. So yeah, we watched them twice last year because that's how good they were. I really liked their concert last year, and the visuals, the sound, the stage, the performance, everything is just so good. So watching it once, it's not enough for us, so we decided to do it twice. It's one of the best moments of last year. So now I decided to just go ahead and unbox this vinyl from them. It's the very first vinyl that I bought from this band. I'm a new vinyl collector, so I'm trying to purchase their albums little by little, and this is the very first one that I got. Later on so let's just go ahead and unbox this now so I can go with that later on. Let's see what's inside. So guys, let me just discuss how I'm impressed about this vinyl, because look at it, it's very simple. It's simplest vinyl that I bought so far in terms of how it looks like, how it was produced, and yeah, so you can see it looks like just an envelope. If you can read that, it says this bag is recycled and recyclable. This band supports Greta Thunberg. It's the 17-year-old girl who's a climate and environmental activist. She basically protests anything against the environment. So in fact, she have a track here from this album, which is the very first one, which entitled the 1975. So thumbs up to the 1975 for supporting this environmental activist, for being inspired. So I think that's what made them decide to make this album made out of recyclable or made out of recycled materials. In fact, it's like just a piece of paper, a hard paper one. It smells like wood, by the way. They even actually pack it with this thick plastic. Normally vinyl is being packed with a very thin plastic cover, which once you open it, it can't be used anymore, but this is a reusable bag that they include on this packaging, so it won't go to waste. That's how good it was, right? The print is very simple as well, as you can see guys. Only has NOACF here. It has just a very small print of the name of the album, Notes on a Conditional Form, their name, and Music for Cars. It has this label here. Mostly the print is at the back, which is their black and white picture, and the name of the tracks are from side A to side D. And it says it was made in Czech Republic. Very, very simple, right? So the packaging was just sealed right here in the middle. So let's just open this now. All right. See, the plastic can be used again, which is good for keeping the cover of the vinyl in good condition. So even though it was made out of recycled material, the packaging is still good. See, there's really no dents on it or whatnot. So on this side, you'll only see the same thing. And right at the middle, so they basically just decided to put the credits on this part instead of doing it on another sheet of paper, which saved them from, you know, wasting another piece of paper, right? So again, it's really well thought. I really don't know what to say about this because it's just very simple. Let's just take this out, and here you go. Here's my favorite part. It's the sleeves. This is where you can see the design of the album. So on this one, on this side, for the A and B LP, see the sleeve is made out of this logo for NOACF. So it's back to back. It's really cool, right? I really like this print. Here you go, guys. It's clear. I don't know what's with the 1975, but all their vinyls standard edition are all clear. This is actually the very first 12-inch clear vinyl on my collection. Normally comes with, you know, different colors, but they only have those different colors on some special release. I think this one has a neon green color edition, which is more expensive, I bet. So still the design is very simple, which just print on it in black and white. It doesn't even have the tracks printed on the middle. It just says side A and side B. I have my turntable here, so I can play some of the songs in the album. So on this one, my favorite song out of this album, so I'm torn between Frail State of Mind and People. I've heard these songs live, and I'll play the very first one here from Greta. So I'm not sure why they named the first track on the band name to 1975, but it's just basically Greta saying a piece of what she wanted to tell the world regarding our environment and what needs to be stopped and what needs to be done. I really, really like the message of her piece. She's telling the very truth from this part.
So we can no longer save the world by playing by the rules, because the rules have to be changed. Everything needs to change, and it has to start today. So everyone out there, it is now time for civil disobedience. It is time to rebel.
An introduction from Greta with that very truthful statement from her comes with the second track, People, saying wake up, wake up. and I think that's the reason why they put this on the very first track. It's perfect to introduce their song called People. That's one of my favorites, People. So let me just finish unboxing this. So here's the second sleeve. As you can see, it's different from the first one. So this one has the biggest print for their album acronym or initials, and NOACF, which is front and back as well. The second LP looks just the same. Right, basically that's all that we got. I just wanted to say that this band really means a lot. Just wanted to say that please support them as much as you could, because they really support, you know, some things that need supporting, which everyone should actually do, but this band just proactively, you know, did it on their will. So yes, so that's basically it for the Notes on a Conditional Form unboxing vlog. I hope you liked this unboxing from the 1975. It's my first unboxing for this band, and hopefully it's not going to be the last one. So if you want me to unbox more from other artists or bands, please comment them down below. I'll see if I'll have their albums or vinyls to unbox here. As I've told you earlier in this vlog, guys, I have a recent collaboration with the Merch Room PH. Those who are asking where I normally buy my merchandise, Merch Room PH can help you guys. So Merch Room PH is a store where you can buy merchandise, vinyls, also CDs from your favorite bands or artists. They are officially launching their business next month, and before that they will be giving away merchandise. They are actually sponsoring this giveaway that I'm doing now, which is they will be giving away the CD version of this album. If you wanted to win the CD version of this album, guys, here's what you need to do. Follow them on their Instagram account, which is @merchfromph. After this vlog is out, they will be posting on their Instagram feed about this giveaway. All you have to do is to share their post on your stories, and then you need to tag 3 of your friends from the comment section of that giveaway post. Now, all 3 friends that you're tagging must be following them as well to win. Just please make sure you follow all the instructions, guys, because they will be checking. And you have 1 week to join. They will be announcing the winner of this giveaway on next Saturday. So go ahead and head to their IG account. The post should be up in a bit. So yeah, that's all that you have to do to win, or to get a chance to win this CD from the 1975 Notes on a Conditional Form. So thank you so much, Merch Room PH, for collaborating and sponsoring this giveaway. And I was told, guys, that they will be having more giveaways before their actual launch in November. So just keep on following them, guys. More giveaways will be presented in the next coming weeks. I'm probably gonna promote those on my next vlog as well, so just watch out. Yeah, that's all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, a very quick unboxing that I did for the 1975. And yeah, let me know your thoughts about this album on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!